For a second there, I thought that was a Doordash sticker, and I was sitting there thinking, like, what kind of avid DoorDasher drives around and slaps Doordash stickers everywhere? And I was like, I pulled forward a little bit more, and you can tell it's like not a Doordash sticker. It's like an R or something. I don't know. For a second there, I was like, damn, people love Doordash so much they're slapping their stickers around. But that's funny, you know. I wonder if Doordash makes stickers. I don't think people are like, I think DoorDash is so convenient that like people want to use it like Amazon or something, but I don't think there's fans of DoorDash who just, I don't know. That's definitely not a thing, you know? Like there's fans of Off Axis. Like we make awesome content and people enjoy watching it, but I don't think there's fans of DoorDash. I don't know. Anyways, welcome back to another Daily Dash. Today we are just making some extra money. Today we are we just delivered to, I just finished the last Daily Dash. We're doing 2 today. But got some coffee. Just delivered to the person that falsely reported me for not delivering to them. I just finished that delivery. And I'm still like sitting here like waiting for my phone to tell me that I didn't deliver it, because about probably like 9 months ago or so, maybe even a year ago, I filmed a video. I filmed the whole entire delivery and everything, walked up. It was, I wrapped up the video, got home, and then I got a notification saying that I did not drop off the order. And I was like, whoa, you know, because I filmed the whole thing, you know, and thank God I had proof. I have like Life 360, this app that basically tracks me wherever I go, so it literally showed me walking all the way up to their door, thank God, and then the contract violation went away. But man, what kind of person do you have to be to, I don't know, I guess it's not saying that much nowadays. I feel like it's a very easy way to try to steal something because you don't actually see the person. You don't really have to make, like, it's like digital stealing, you know? Like, I guess that's the thing, you know? It's like you're like a digital thief, you know? You are literally making false accusations and doing something through a digital world of your phone. Like, there's no cops that are gonna come arrest you. It's like almost safe. It's like almost a safe way to try to steal something because, you know, cops aren't gonna show up. Worst case scenario, DoorDash deactivates you and you can't order food anymore, and then you still have Grubhub and Uber. And the only person who's getting fucked is the person who delivered your food who's getting a contract violation, you know? So it's like digital stealing. I'm gonna title the video Digital Thievery. I don't know, something like that. Anyways, does that ever happen to you guys? Do you guys have any contract violations? My question of the day to you guys, do you guys have any contract violations, and what were they for? I'd love to see what the reasons were for. Anyways, be right back once we pick up this order and we drop it off. Be right back. All right, and we're back. It's been actually about 3 hours since I started this vlog, but we're heading over to the gym right now. I'm gonna get a quick workout in and of course do the usual, drop off the pairs of shoes that I have to deliver today. And I kind of want to talk about some fitness stuff real quick, because fitness is like my main passion, I would say. I thoroughly enjoyed being a personal trainer. I was a personal trainer for, I don't know, I got my first certification back in 2010, so it's been quite a while since I started being a personal trainer, but definitely the most rewarding job I ever had. Unfortunately, it just didn't pay very well. It was not consistent work, but I'm about to go do some cryotherapy. Did you guys know that cryotherapy can burn up to 800 calories per session? I didn't believe that when I first heard it. I was like, 800 calories? That's not possible. And then the other day, I did cryotherapy for the first time in about probably like 9 months or so. It's the first time I did it in about 9 months. And my body was basically recovering all day. Like, my body felt like Jell-O, which is why you burn 800 calories, because your body is recovering for hours after you do cryotherapy. So if you guys want to feel really good, or if your body is really sore or something, cryotherapy is the way to go. Cryo, and then if you go from cryo to the sauna and you cool your body down so much that it's freezing to death, and then you heat it up to where you're so hot you feel like you're gonna die, man, by the end of that, it's like a full body orgasm. Your whole body feels great. But I'm just saying, if you guys wanted to lose weight and someone was interested, like that's maybe your New Year's resolution or something, finding a place that does cryo and forcing yourself to do it every single day, because it is a huge mental test. I'm constantly doing mental tests with myself. Can I survive this? Or can I do this? Or like, for example, in 2018, I took an ice bath 3 times a week for an entire year. And I had a whole calendar, and I would check it off, make sure I did 3 times a week. And honestly, sometimes I didn't even need to do it. I was just doing it for the mental test, to make my mind stronger. I think that's very crucial. I kind of want to talk about confidence, because I'm a firm believer that confidence is your success to failure ratio. The more times you test yourself, or that you are tested at all, and you succeed, that adds to your confidence. Okay, put it this way. Let's just say in life you've only had 10 tests. In every single test you aced, you got 100%. You're gonna be pretty damn confident. But if you constantly failed tests and your ratio was maybe 5 to 5 or something, you're not gonna be so confident. You're gonna be probably not confident at all. So this is why I constantly am challenging myself to little challenges, like little mental tests here and there, doing little things all the time. Like, can I do 50 push-ups still? Can I stand in the cryotherapy chamber at the absolute coldest, which is like freaking negative 200 degrees or something, for 3.5 minutes? Can I do like all kinds of like little challenges that they're things that I know I'm going to do, but it always boosts your confidence. And I feel like, of course, like there's other things involved in confidence. I am a firm believer that doing like extreme sports and acrobatics is gigantic, because like it's a gigantic boost for your confidence, because you're constantly putting your life in danger, and every time you don't die, you get more confident, basically. But anyways, just a little bit of my ramble for the day. Nice little 4.5 minute ramble, because that's what we do on the Daily Dash. I just like to talk about things that I am either reading on or working on. I just listened to this whole podcast on NFTs. Does anyone do NFTs? In the comment section, let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys do NFTs? Do you own any? Personally, I'm not a fan. I was also not a fan of crypto when it came out. Just NFTs is a really hard one for me to get into. I just think that's a really silly one. I just don't know. But I'm also probably going to be that guy that regrets not getting into it when NFTs are all the rage, and they kind of are right now. I'm just like, how can I justify putting my money into that? Doesn't make any sense to me. But I am moving forward. I think I'm going to just be putting money into my own businesses. I don't think I'm going to be doing stocks or crypto really anymore. Just am tired of seeing things go up and down and me not being in full control of it, and I can control the full outcome of my investments, which is my businesses. And I just enjoy that, and I enjoy the process of business. And I'm just, I don't know, getting a little burned out by seeing crypto go up and down all the time. It's like, super annoying. Like, I would have liked to sell some crypto this week and help pay for the shoe shipment, but I couldn't, because it was so low that I'm like, can't sell it right now, it's too low. I refuse to take a loss on crypto. Anyways, we're pulling up to the post office, the UPS store, actually. We'll be right back. Man, I gotta say, Doordash is, it's very hard to log in nowadays. I don't know, ever since yesterday, maybe a few days before, I've kind of noticed it, but I have not been able to log in very often. Normally I just kind of wait for a couple minutes and it pops up, but I just went to the gym. I was there for about an hour. Nothing popped up until 5 o'clock, and it's 3:30 right now. So it's like, man, is there just too many dashers or what? Like, what's going on? It's been, maybe I gotta go back to like scheduling a week ahead of time or something, you know? Anyways, I'm gonna wrap up today's video because obviously we're not doing a daily dash if we can't log in. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you drive safe and go to my footwear company's website, offaxisathletics.com. Go check it out. Go check out our new footwear. Offaxisathletics.com. Use the discount code OFFAXISTanner. That's OFFAXIS, A-X-I-S, Tanner, for 30% off. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, smash that like button. Peace.